Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Beenie Man makes a surprise appearance on the UK leg of Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday 2 tour, and Minaj teases stop in Jamaica. Well, the king of the dancehall was on Tuesday the special guest at the O2 Arena for the London stop of the rapper's tour. The sold-out show was in an uproar when Beenie Man took the stage, delivering some of his greatest hits to some 20,000 patrons. Coming to the end of his set, the Who Am I singer turned to the rap star asking, "You got one more song for me?" Her response,
"No, I'm gonna have nothing else for you.
You know, I'm not
I just have a hug and I just have to.
From a queen to the king.
Following his performance, Nicki, a longtime fan, took to social media platform X, lauding Beenie's artistry, posting that he is one of the most talented musicians, that she looks to for inspiration her entire career, adding that Tuesday evening was unbelievable. She concluded by saying that he is one of her heroes while expressing her love. Beenie Man becomes the second Jamaican act to appear on Minaj's Pink Friday 2 tour. Pampete was first when she opened at the rapper's Canadian stop. Now, still on Minaj's Pink Friday 2 tour, the rapper teased the possibility of making a stop in Jamaica. Speaking recently during a live stream, a Jamaican fan asked her if she plans to make a stop in Jamaica. Her response,
"Of course I want Galaxy to come to Jamaica, you guys. I told you that my desire is to do Galaxy City, Caribbean Girls Run It."
The news sent her Jamaican fan base in a frenzy. Minaj is known for showing constant love to Jamaicans. We love you too, Nicki. Now, YG Marley taps Burna Boy for remix of his hit single, Praise Jah in the Moonlight. During a recent live stream, the singer teased fans with a snippet of the remix.
You literally don't play like 5 seconds.
Praise Jah in the Moonlight earned Marley his debut on the Billboard charts following his appearance on the music scene last year. The track has also garnered several other accolades, with the most recent being a gold certification in France last week. The Burna Boy remix is set to earn Marley his first Nigerian feature. Now, Sean Kingston to return to Florida, where he and his mother are slapped with fraud charges. According to AP News, Kingston on Tuesday waived his right to fight extradition in a California court and agreed to be turned over to authorities in Florida, where he and mother Janice Turner are charged with committing more than $1 million worth of fraud. Kingston did not make a public appearance in court, but signed papers agreeing to skip extradition hearings. He remained in a Southern California jail Tuesday afternoon, but authorities will coordinate with Florida's Sheriff's Department for his return. Kingston was arrested Thursday in California, where he was performing. His mother was arrested the same day when a SWAT team raided Kingston's Florida residence. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.